we are here at the Taste of Larchmont, where every year HopeNet, a wonderful organization, brings together many different vendors to showcase all the wonderful things this boulevard has to offer.
I got to try Kiku Sushi for the first time, along with flavorful Sichuan noodles from Sua, which not only serves delicious food, but it's also a beautiful, well-lit cafe. We also sampled a ham and gruyere sandwich from Le Pain Quotidien, fresh pasta from Louise's, and one of the best slices in town from Esco's Pizza. Of course, if you're heading to Larchmont, you have to save room for dessert. So we finished the night with Levain's famous massive cookies and creamy gelato from Bacio di Latte. Huge shout out to HopeNet for building community and raising money for families facing food insecurity. I hope to see you all at Taste of Larchmont next year and on the boulevard sometime soon.